chatbots QR code marketing. So in this video, I'm going to explain how you can actually trigger chatbots on different channels such as Messenger, WhatsApp, Telegram, Viber, even web chat as well, using QR codes with a live demo as well. So before that, I'm going to explain what are the benefits of using QR codes with chatbots. So I'm going to explain about 5 industries over here. So first is a retail industry. What is the use case? So you can provide product information and discount with a chatbot assistant. So let's explain about the scenario over here. So QR codes on product tags lead to customers to a chatbot interface where they can inquire about product details, ask for recommendations, and receive exclusive discounts and promotions. So that's a kind of scenario where you can use QR codes with chatbots in the retail industry. So what are the benefits? Personalized customer interactions, immediate assistance, increased sales through targeted offers based on customer preferences. So these are the benefits of using QR codes in chatbots in the retail industry. So let's move to the next industry, which is hospitality industry. So the use case is contactless menus and ordering with chatbot support. For example, customer QR codes can be put on the tables, open a chatbot allowing customers to browse the menu, place orders, and customize dishes, even ask for allergy information. The chatbot handles orders and payments seamlessly. The benefits: enhanced customer service, reduced waiting time, efficient order management. The chatbot can handle complex orders and provide personalized menu suggestions as well, and also it actually reduce the workload as well. And the next industry is the healthcare industry. So you can use chatbots with QR codes for appointment scheduling and telemedicine with chatbot assistant. So QR codes in appointment letters connect patients to a chatbot, enabling them to confirm appointments, reschedule, or initiate telemedicine consultations. The chatbot assists in gathering preliminary information, and after that it simply transfers the information to the professionals. And the benefits is that streamlined appointment scheduling, improved patient-doctor communication, and efficient data collection. The chatbot ensures the patients are prepared for the virtual consultations. So it also provides a very good use case for the healthcare industry as well. So the next industry is education industry. So the use case is that interactive learning materials with chatbot support. So let's explain about the scenario over here. So you can put QR codes in textbooks, lead students to a chatbot providing supplementary resources. Also, the chatbot offers study quizzes, answers questions, and provides explanations, creating an interactive learning experience. So the, teachers can also use this one as well. And the benefits: enhance student engagement, personalized learning pathways, and instant academic support. The chatbot adapts the students to learning styles and provides targeted educational content. So this is also very useful over here. And finally, the tourism industry. So the use case is that guided tours and local attractions with chatbot assistance. QR codes at tourist sites connect visitors to a chatbot providing guided tours. Chatbot narrates the historical facts, answers questions, and offers recommendations for nearby attractions and the dining options as well. So it simply replaces a tourist guide. The benefits: immersive visitor experience, on demand information, and personalized recommendations. The chatbot tailors the tour based on visitor interest and preferences. So these are some of the examples of industries where you can actually use QR codes and chatbots. So now let's look at a live demo as well. So here we already have a demo flow over here. So as you see here, it says, "Hello, welcome to Chatting Media. To join the VIP membership, tap the button," and the flow it simply goes over there. So here, as you see, it says message type is omnichannel. So whatever built over here will actually works on all these channels. So let's say if you want to create a QR code for this chatbot flow. Let's say you want to collect a VIP membership list using a QR code. We can do that. For that, you have to go to the tools option over here. So let me open the tools option over here. And here you have to choose the QR code generator. So before that, let me open the flows in a new tab as well. So QR code generator over here. So in the QR code generator, you can choose the image size, and here you have to choose the flow. So for the flow, the flow name is QR code list building SMS plus email. So let me choose this particular flow, QR code list building SMS and email, and click generate. And as you see here, the QR code is already generated. So you can simply download this and have it as a physical print as well. And as I mentioned earlier, this is omnichannel. So as you see here, it's omnichannel. So when we scan this particular QR code, it's actually going to provide an option for the customer to select the preferred channel as well. So let me share my phone screen over here, and I'm going to scan this particular QR code. As you see here, I'm scanning this QR code and it says website address is popping out over here. So let me tap on this website address over here, and it's simply going to a website address as you see here. And as I mentioned, this is omnichannel, so that's why it's provide an option for the customer to choose whatever the channel they would like to continue the chat. So for example, let me choose Telegram. So I have chosen Telegram, and let me press start over here, and it says hello, welcome to Chatting Media. To join the VIP membership, tap the button below. So if I press become VIP, it simply asks for the name and it will simply continue the conversation over here. So I'm not going to continue the conversation. So if I go back over here and choose a different channel, so let's say simply choose web chat, so it simply open the particular chat window in the browser itself. So as you see here in the web chat, we have received this message, the same message which we received in the Telegram. We are receiving this in the web chat as well. So if I press become VIP, it simply asks the name, those kind of things. If you want to push the customers to a specific channel, you can do that as well. But for that, you have to create the flow in such a way in just one channel. So instead of creating the flows or chatbot flows in omnichannel, you just need to create the flow for one channel. So let me create this flow for Viber. So let's test this on Viber. So let me select Viber. So I am naming the flow as Viber. So here when they scan the QR code, I am going to send hi Viber, and I want to add a button over here. Select, the button name is select, and here I want to send another message over here. Before that, you have to make sure this is Viber instead of omnichannel, because our goal is to push customers to the Viber channel. So I have chosen Viber, and when they select this option, I want to send another Viber message over here. Done. Just for the demo, I'm creating this flow. Done. So let me publish this one. So here let me refresh the QR code tool over here, and here the flow name is Viber. So I have to choose the flow name Viber and generate the QR code. So the QR code is generated. So when someone actually scans this particular QR code, they will be taken to Viber, and it should say hi Viber, select, done, those kind of things. So let me scan this QR code and show how it actually works over here. So I'm actually scanning this QR code, and as you see here, it simply shows a different URL. So it should take me to Viber at the moment, and as you see here, hi Viber, and as you see, the button is over here in the bottom. So if I tap this button, it should say done. So that's it. So likewise, you can actually create specific flows for Messenger, Instagram, and push customers to a specific channel. Otherwise, you can simply use omnichannel and ask customers to choose whatever the channel they want to start the chat. So that's how you can use QR code in chatbots and for marketing to increase your revenue. Thank you.